that for every advancement humankind has made in space exploration, we've seen the same technology used for violence. We don't know who invented the first rocket, but it likely comes soon after the invention of gunpowder. And we all know where gunpowder went. Guns. Cannonball.
Love pod sequence initiated. Take my metallic torso.
Gotta keep it calm.
Any booty call. Anybody wanna try real on my table? I'm getting hardwired. Any booty call. Restarting from backup. Malicious software detected. Implementing quarantine. Love pod sequence initiated. Ooh, I'm getting hardwired. My core temperature is I'm getting hardwired. Rebooty call. Anybody? Space is our current. I will cuddle you so hard. Anybody want to try real? You've been randomly selected.
Wait, what?
Love pod sequence initiated. Ooh, I'm getting hardwired. Uninstalling unauthorized program. I'm getting hardwired. Anybody want to try real online dating? Anybody want to try real online dating? E-booty call. Malicious software detected.